I'm Monica Ortega, and I believe that life is short and adventure is everywhere. I am no expert, and I'm definitely not an adrenaline junkie. You know what? There's no shame going down a hill on your butt. In fact, I'm pretty much afraid of everything.
You're just afraid of heights. God. Lean back. Lean back.
When my life took some unexpected turns, I decided to step back and use my second chance to create a life that I truly love. And by facing my fears and pushing myself out of my comfort zone, I've pushed myself into my best life yet. No matter how many times I screamed, "I can't," going through that cave, I did. So you know what? Next time I'm gonna know that I can do it, because that was fun. So come join me. And each week, I'll go on an adventure that scares me to show you guys that if an everyday, average person like me can do it, anyone can. And that facing your fears is always worth the risk.
That was insane! Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I'm so happy I did it. This is what you get for facing your fears. I made it and I'm shaking and I'm freaking out, but I did it.